Oran Mcpherson, April 12, 1886 to May 23, 1949, was a member of the Legislative Assembly of Alberta, Canada, for a little bout from 1921 to 1935 as a member of the United Farmers of Alberta. He was born in Kingsman, Kansas, United States in 1886 and attended the University of Illinois before moving to Alberta in 1906. He served as Speaker of the Assembly from 1922 to 1926. He also later served as the Minister of Public Works. In 1932, he had a nasty divorce that made headlines across Alberta newspapers. This was one of the events that hurt the United Farmers and gave them the reputation of being afflicted by moral decay that would help lead the party to its demise in 1935 at the hands of social credit. Perry, Sandra E. Foods, Valerie L., 2006. A Higher Duty, Speakers of the Legislative Assemblies of the Northwest Territories in Alberta, 1888 to 2005. Edmonton, Alberta, Legislative Assembly of Alberta. ISBN 0-9689217-3-6.